What's up everybody, welcome back to the Burnout Bobby YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to be putting the quad lock on my 2021 KTM Duke 390. I've been wanting one of these for a while, so I'm kind of excited about this. I see these posts all the time on Instagram, Facebook, and my ads. The thing looks great because it's a cell phone case, and then whenever you walk up to your bike, you can just snap it in. So I went on ahead, I got one. The website was super informative. It's very easy. Select what kind of phone you have, what kind of mount you want. Also, if you want the vibration dampener. So of course I selected that. It says what kind of bikes they recommend it for. The KTM Duke was one of them, so of course I'm gonna listen to them. They're the pros. I got the dampener as well. And then I would also suggest getting the dampener for my Ruckus guys. The 49cc and even the GY6 guys, because we know how much those things vibrate, especially the GY6s. So if you're putting this on the Ruckus, definitely get the dampener. So in about 3 days I got it. I went with the handlebar mount Pro. The Pro has a CNC machine finish, 6061 aluminum. Of course you gotta go with the billet. The regular one is still, I believe it's like a hardened Delran, like a plastic material, which there's still no problem with, but I wanted to go with the CNC one. Then I selected the iPhone 13 Pro. Case, went with that. I was in need, it was time for a new case, so happy about that. And then the motorcycle vibration dampener. So that's it. I went with just those 3 pieces. All 3 right here. Came in the mail within just a few days, not bad at all. And installation for this is probably one of the easiest ones I've ever done. When you open up the kit, you're gonna see something similar like this. So it tells you if you have a 7/8 bar, 1 1/8, 1 1/4, 1 inch. So they have these reducers and these clamps for the quad lock to adapt to your bars. My bar is a 7/8, just like it will be on the Ruckus, because I will be ordering a second one of these to put on my Ruckus so that I can just switch over my phone straight from the KTM to the Ruckus. That's the plan. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get this started. We'll put this right on the Duke. I'll change the camera up and then we'll get this rolling. Alright, so here are the 4 pieces that I have outside of the box. So here's the handlebar clamp itself. You can see it has this rib section here. What's gonna go to that is going to be the dampener. So you'll have a bolt already in it that has the blue Loctite. Just go ahead and put that in. Use the supplied Allen wrench. You're going to tighten that right in. After that, you're just going to take the quad lock like this, put that on. Now you can see that because it's got the grooves on both sides, you can change this position. Same thing with the dampener here. You can change it and it's going to lock in all different angles. So I'm just going to put it straight up and down like this. Again, you just use the same Allen key. Tighten that up. It has the blue Loctite on there, which is great for motorcycles. Here's a quad lock phone case. Just line it up in the grooves, turn, and you're locked in. Now to unlock it, you just push down on this, turn sideways, and release. If you're using your GPS on your phone and you want it sideways, you're just going to line it up like so. And then boom, phone's locked in sideways. You have the dampener on, so you can see with the vibration dampener, when you're moving, or the vibration of the handlebars, they got the rubber bumpers in there. That's an awesome idea. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and put it on the bike. Change of mind. I'm actually going to put it right here on the center. I have an adapter, luckily, that they included with the kit. So it's going to go right to the middle of the handlebar here, which is a little bit thicker. I think this is like 1 inch. So I opened up the clamp. I have the supplied bolt still in it. I'm going to wrap it around like so. There you go, not going anywhere. It also has that blue supplied Loctite on it. You can see I also moved this push button to the side. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn and lock, and there you go. So now my phone is on. I have plenty of clearance with turning my handlebars, as you can see. I can have my GPS here and still see everything up on my main screen. This is the route I'm gonna go. So there it is, installed. Super easy install, as I said. Got the vibration dampener on there. I was able to make it work really well with these bars and still keep my padding up top. Hope you guys enjoyed this. The link for the product will be in the description for the video. This is going to work great for all my KTM Duke guys. As you can see, these are aftermarket bars. I was able to make it work. Stock bars, they will work perfect. Same thing with factory Ruckus, Grom, Metropolitan, all of the scooter guys. Definitely highly recommend this. They also have one with a built-in USB charger. So if you're looking to charge your phone while you're riding, if you go on long rides and you're using your phone for GPS, this is definitely the play. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and then I will catch you on the next one.